What are we doing?
2 eggs in the microwave.
Oh, it smells wet.
You might want to stand that close because I saw on YouTube what happens to the microwave when 2 eggs are in it.
What happens to the microwave with 2 eggs?
But you want to keep your face out of this area.
Yeah.
The door area.
Does the door fly open?
Sometimes.
Don't wreck my microwave.
I'm not wrecking your microwave. Oh, see the one? It's got some semen bubbling up over top of it there. See it?
That one's not gonna.
That one right there.
Wait!
It's rancid. Oh, fucking cunt. Oh, shit.
There's the second egg. It's not even blown yet.
It's smoking in there. You got some smoke. Let it go.
You guys are cleaning this microwave.
No, we're not. No, we're not. We really aren't. Hear it. It's about to go.
It's about to go.
Yep, the shit on top. So it doesn't blow up near the light. Boom! Pow! Or the door. Watch that. If it blows up right by the door, we're fucked.
Why?
Because it'll blow the door open.
I think it already cracked.
No, it did, but watch, it will explode.
Oh! Stop it! Open it up!
Oh, fuck! No shit!
You guys are helping me clean that.
I'm not either.
Rob,